Hello. To set up system navigation on Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll down and go into home screen. And right here all the way down again we have system navigation, so let's go in here and we will start with the buttons, as we are currently have enabled the buttons navigation system. So alright, right here is the function to mirror buttons, and simply this option swaps the back button and this menu button with the places, as you can see. Hold on. Yeah, it just simply swaps them, and right here are the button shortcuts, and you can set up the shortcuts for different buttons combinations. And for example, let's set the power and menu, which will be this button and this button right here. Let's set the shortcut to, for example, I don't know, launch camera. And right now, as I press these two buttons at the same time, there is the camera appearing. As you can see, there's the camera launching. So that's how to set up the shortcuts right here, button shortcuts. And here's this option to automatically disable navigation buttons. So when you're not using them, probably. Oh no, in some applications, as you are using the applications, these navigation buttons should basically turn off. They should hide. So let's say I want to change these options for the AliExpress application, and I can never disable these buttons for this application. I can always disable, so these buttons will be always disabled, and we can ask to disable. So yeah, that's it about the buttons basically. So let's move into the gestures, and as you want to switch for gestures for the first time, you are being notified to learn gestures, what they can do, how you can use the system navigation. You can not show it right now, you can learn it, so learn it by yourself, and I will right now show you just how to the options of these gestures. So right now we have the gestures, and here's the hide full screen indicator, which doesn't show the full screen indicator when using full screen gestures. So as you enable this option, there is a new gesture to use, but you can also see all the gestures right here. As you can see, here are the demos, and you can see how to use them, how to navigate with the gestures. And right here is the gesture confirmation, and in some cases when you're playing games or watching videos, the gestures will work only if you are doing them twice. So like you have to make the gesture once and the second time to, for example, as you can see, to go to the home screen. So yeah, that's how to do it, that's how it works basically. And I think that's all about the gestures, the system navigation itself. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.